Hello guys, what's up? This is Junaid. Welcome to Xfinity. So in this video I'm going to show you the preview of the application which is called as 2048 Merge and Win, I guess. And I have completed the minimum payout which was $200, and I'm in this video I'm going to show you whether this application is going to pay me or not, whether it is a scam or it is a legit application. So in order to find out, you need to watch this video till the end, and subscribe to my channel so that you may not miss any updates from my side, and you do not waste your time by playing these scam games and apps. So let's see how this application is going to pay us. So I have reached the minimum payout of $200, and I'm going to click on this option. And as you can see, the minimum payout was $200, and they quickly changed into $300, which is not good. I agreed everything. Wow. Now they are saying that you need to be active for at least 3 days, and you must watch the video 10 times per active day. And in the end, they're going to pay you nothing. If you reach the minimum payout of $300 and also meet these red highlighted criterias, then even they will not pay you. It is 100% scam. Do not waste your time in using this application, and they are only using you for their own means, and they will give you nothing. Let me show you the name of this application. It is called as 2048 Hexagon Fever. Let me show you in Play Store. 2048 Hexagon Fever Block Hexagon Puzzle. It is in its beta version early access, and I'm going to give it 1 star because it is not going to pay me anything, and I'm also going to report it. Hateful or abusive content. So I'm going to uninstall this application. So please do not waste your time in using these applications, as they are a big scam and they will give you nothing. I'm also trying out all these apps, and I will also share my personal experience with you. So stay connected with me, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share if you find this video helpful and if I saved your precious time. Thank you so much.